Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to create vacation rental website on Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you want to create a website here specifically for vacation rentals, well, this one is going to be kind of easy because of how Wix is actually built up. So this is the first thing you want to do is you want to have a Wix account. So go to wix.com, log into your account. And if this is the first time that you will be accessing your account, obviously it's going to redirect you into the creation or website creation process. But if not, in this case, you just see your dashboard here. Just click on the create new site here and just choose the option that says studio template. And from here, it should open up a new tab. Now, in this case, by the way, you could go ahead and choose the use Wix editor as well, so that it could guide you. So if you just choose studio template, it's just going to that you choose from already existing templates. But let's go and customize this a bit. But yeah, let's go and click on set up without chat here. And from here, it's going to ask what type of website you want to create. So since we want to create a vacation rental, let's just type in vacation rental. And from here, let's go and choose vacation rental. Now, it's very important that you indicate what you are planning to build here, because this will recommend different apps and set things up for you automatically, which is something really cool. Let's go and click on continue. And from here, it's going to start preparing our dashboard. But in this case, it's going to start guiding us. Now, again, like what I said before, setting up a web page or website here on Wix is pretty easy. So first, it's going to ask you your website name. So for example, there's going to be my vacation rental. And from here, let's go ahead and click on continue. Next is we now need to add Wix apps. So by default, you need to make sure that you add Wix hotels. You can also integrate Instagram feed here if you want, online store bookings if you want. But what Wix hotels is the only thing that you need here. But again, you can add whatever you want. Let's go and click on continue. Now from here, it's going to say you're all set up. Click on continue dashboard. Now from here, it's going to guide you on how to exactly set up your store. So first is you need to connect your domain. So you could go and click on let's go here, but obviously you need to have a premium plan in order for you to do so. So you can skip this for now if you just want to build your website. You're going to do this way. Now next is you want to add your first room type. So you can go and click add room type here. And from here, you could go and click on start now. And from here, you need to agree to a few things. So in this case, go and click on agree and add to confirm that we want to add Wix hotels. And once it's actually added, you can go and start managing your Wix website or your rooms here. So let's just wait for this one. As you can see, we've added this one. You could go and click on customize your site if you want to. But let's go and exit this one. Click on start now. But yeah, you could go and click on customize your site if you want to. And from here, it's going to ask you which of the following options you want to do here. So you can either click on generate design with AI or pick a template. Now you could go and choose pick a template here. And again, like what I said before, depending on what you enter on your first questions or the previous questions here, this will actually customize what you'll be seeing. So since we added vacation rental here, it's going to ask us or give us results that is related to vacation rentals. So in this case, you can go ahead and choose whichever template you want to use here. So there are going to be a lot from here. So in this case, let's go ahead and maybe choose this one. Let's go and click on edit. Now, once you've added your template, and here you could go and start designing it. Now, from here, you could go ahead and change a few things like images that you want to change, text. It's all pretty easy here. It's a drag and drop option or drop and drop functionality here, so you won't get lost much. So you could go ahead and click one of them. So let's just wait for this to add Wix hotels to complete the process. Once it's added, let's go and select our website. Click on the X here, the top right, and from here, you could go ahead and just start adding whatever you want. So you can double click on the text here to change the text. If you want to change the image, you want just make sure that you select your image at the background. If you can't select this, you can actually view the layers for it. But in this case, there are other sections that you can actually edit here, like this one, to edit the text for it. You can even add your own section by clicking on the add section at the left side here and basically add whatever you want. Now you also have the add element here, which in this case I was add text, boxes, images, buttons, whatever. And also have the site design here, which allows you to determine what's your color, your theme here. You can change your theme to a different one. You can choose electric if you want, dynamic, technical if you want. And we also have our Wix app market if you want to add apps to your store or your website here. If you want to manage your apps, you could go and choose the My Business. And if you want to manage your media, you could choose media. Or if you want to manage your CMS, this is how you manage them. But yeah, let's go and go back into our setup here in our dashboard. And from here, you can go and click on Add First Room Type again. Now, in this case, it's now in progress. We've set up our theme that we are currently using, so it should allow us to start adding our room. So in this case, you choose your property type. For example, it's apartment, guest house, hotel. So you choose guest house, click on Save. And from here, you could go and click on Create Room Type. Now from here, you could go and add whatever you want, like bungalow, business room, classic room, corner suite, cottage. So whatever they are, going to be a lot of options here. So for example, apartment, click on Next, and just provide all the necessary details for that room to set them up. Now, in this case, is going to go back to setup. Now from here, you could also start setting up your payment methods. So click on Set Up Payments here, and just provide all necessary details. So obviously, you just need to follow the steps that you'll be seeing here in order for you to get set up. So that's what's cool about Wix here. They actually guide you through the whole process. But generally speaking, that's how you start creating your vacation rental website on Wix. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Land App. Thank you for watching.